In this video, I will show you how to delete a Game Pass in Roblox Please Donate in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. To do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Next, if you come up to these options at the top of the page, and what you want to do is click on to create. And then from here, what you want to do is click onto the experience that you want to delete the pass for. So I'm just going to go for this one here. Now, what you want to do is come to this menu on the left-hand side, and you want to click onto associated items. From here, come up to the top where you've got three options and click onto passes. And then what you want to do is click onto the pass that you want to delete. So I've got one here that I've set up for this tutorial. So you just want to go ahead and click onto that. And then what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, click on sales. And finally, what you want to do is click this button where it says item for sale, just click that to off, and then click onto the save changes button. So once that's done, what you now want to do is load up Please Donate, and if you come to your store and hold E, that's going to refresh your store and you'll see the item, the Game Pass, is no longer for sale. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.